And today we will be doing a video on how to make fried chicken wings with the air fryer. Today's ingredients will be cooking spray so that we can spray the top of the wings, garlic salt, onion powder, Creole seasoning, chicken seasoning, paprika for color, and some wingettes. They're already washed and dried, and here's the air fryer that we will be. Alright, first things first, we're going to season our wings. Alright, so we're going to coat the chicken wings good with our seasoning. I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to marinate. Alright guys, so the chicken is done marinating. I have a bag. I'm going to put some flour in. Flour. Not that. I need more flour than that. Flour. Gonna add some of the seasoning that's left over into the flour. Mix it up. Alright, so I have an egg wash, and I'm gonna dip the chicken into the egg wash and then put it into the flour. Use my dry hand and let it sit here. Alright, so I have my air fryer warming up. Here's the chicken. It's all, I did the flour, the egg wash and the flour, so now we're gonna load it all into the air fryer. Alright, so I'm going to spray the air fryer with some cooking spray just so that it doesn't stick. And then we're going to put the chicken in a few pieces at a time. Going to spray the top of the chicken. Like so. Then I'm going to put it inside the air fryer. The air fryer on 370 for 15 minutes. Once that's done, then in 15 minutes I'll flip it on the other side. Alright guys, so the first side has finished. Let's take a look at this chicken. Do you see that? Do you see that? Let me tell you, this air fryer is the truth. So now we're going to just turn them over. Look at this. Like, you can already feel the crunch. Like, they're nice and crispy. And because I sprayed the bottom, it's not sticking. Because it will. Alright, we're going to spray them. Can you see? Yes. I'm going to spray them. And I'm going to let them cook for 10 minutes. Alright guys, so this side is finishing up. We're going to take them out and sit them in here because then we're going to work on our spicy honey sauce. Because we are making spicy honey fried chicken wings. So, alright guys, it's finished. Look at that. You see that? Look at those wings. Listen to the crunch. Alright, let's transfer them over. I have my little helper. Please be careful. There's another one. Alright guys, let me set those aside to add our other batch. So I'm going to spray again. And then we're going to add the other pieces. And we're going to let them cook just like the other ones. 370 for 15 minutes. Hit that button. Alright guys, so let's get to the sauce. Alright, so for our sauce we're going to be using some dried parsley. No, I don't feel like cutting up fresh parsley. Don't judge me. Pure honey. Oh, we're going to use 2/3 cups of pure honey. 1/4 cup of Frank Red Hot. I'm not using too much because I like spicy food, but I don't like my food too spicy. And we're going to be using a stick of butter. So I have my pan heating up on low heat. I will leave a description down below of everything that I am using today. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more cooking and beauty videos. Be sure to like, comment, and once again, subscribe to my channel, guys. Alright, let's get this thing started. So I have my stick of butter. Going to let this butter melt. Alright, our butter is now melted. So we're going to add our honey. So now, get that honey. I'm going to stir this in. Mix it. I kind of feel like I need to add a little bit more honey. Hold this bit. Just hold it like that. I think I'm going to add a little bit more honey. Alright. You come up with your own measurements. You do what you like. You can follow mine or you can just do your own thing. Let's stir it up before we add our hot sauce. And you don't have to use Frank Red Hot. You can use whatever you want. I just like that hot sauce. Okay. That honey and butter has come to a boil. So now we will turn it down. So once it like coats like this, that's good, because I'm going to let it sit to get a little thicker. But I'm going to add in my hot sauce. Pour that in. And I'm going to add in my parsley flakes. Thank you. Good. I'm going to mix this. Alright, letting this cook down. Gonna let it sit to get thicker. Alright guys, so now we're going to flip it over. Did you flip it? King. Did you flip this one? Gonna spray it a little bit. Take a look at the chicken. You see? So I'm not gonna put them on for too long. Put them on 10 minutes. I don't want to overcook them. Our sauce is finishing up. I'm letting it sit so it can get thick. And then we're gonna toss the chicken. I am doing some honey spicy wings, and then I'm leaving some regular because my kids, they don't eat spicy food. Alright, so I want you to get a good look at this sauce. Do you see that sauce? Yes, honey. Look at that sauce. Alright. Our sauce is thick enough. I'm gonna mix it. Then we're gonna add our wings. Do that like that. Going to take a spoon. Spicy honey chicken wings made in the air fryer. Alright, the wings are done, so now we're going to take them out and plate them. Alright, so there you have it. Here is our spicy honey fried chicken wings made in the air fryer. And there is our regular fried chicken, also made in the air fryer. Now do you see how well done it is? And you can tell it got some crunch. And then this one. And it's so easy, and I will leave a description of everything down below. Alright, so I just wanted to break one apart so you can see that it is well done. It's done. And trust me, once you make your fried chicken in the air fryer, you're not going to want to do it on the stove no more. This way it's much healthier. It's not so much grease. And it's faster. I like cooking in the air fryer. Well, that sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.